Hello student, today our topic related with class 8 pollution of air and water. Today we discuss about the long answer question that is related with the air pollution as well as water pollution. Your first question is what is greenhouse effect and what are its causes? Your answer is the combustion of fossil fuels leads to emission of greenhouse gases and other pollutants of the air, leading to impact on the environment, mainly global warming. The primary greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone. Carbon dioxide gas is a major cause of global warming. Basically, due to deforestation, leads to an increase in the amount of carbon dioxide which is released by human. This has resulted in the accumulation of the carbon dioxide in the greenhouse, and it is not released into the space. And this effect is known as greenhouse effect. The combustion of fossil fuels leads to emission of greenhouse gases and other pollutants in our atmosphere, and this leads to impact our environment, mainly global warming. The primary greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone. The carbon dioxide is the major cause of global warming because due to the deforestation, carbon dioxide gas released by the human being, and this is accumulated and it does not go into the space, and this effect is known as greenhouse gases. Our second question is how do fertilizers affect aquatic organism? Chemical fertilizer. Your second question is how do the fertilizers affect aquatic organism? The chemicals and fertilizers and the pesticides are used mainly by the farmer to increase the yield of crop. But during rain, the fertilizer and pesticides get washed off. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used by the farmer to increase the yield of crop. But during the rain, the fertilizer and the pesticide get washed off from the agricultural land into water bodies. Such chemical lead to growth of algae and the other plant bodies, and that cause algal bloom. Eutrophication is the process by which the water bodies become rich in nutrients and leads to unwanted excessive growth of plants on the surface of water. When aquatic organisms consume the chemicals from fertilizers and pesticides, they affect the ecosystem. Student, our next question is discuss some causes of air pollution, how it can be prevented. Air pollution caused by both human activities as well as natural resources. Any undesirable substances in the atmosphere that contaminate the air is called pollutant. Some of these pollutants are number 1, suspended particulate matter. Number 1, suspended particulate matter. Suspended particulate matter, basically the particle that can be in the form of dust, smoke and even vapor which reduce the visibility, known as suspended particulate matter. Fuel burnt from automobile and factories form fine particles. These fine particles are not able to get filtered through our nose and remain in the nose, and this may cause respiratory problems and even damage the lungs. Second pollutant is carbon monoxide. Second pollutant is carbon monoxide. Second pollutant, carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide, basically when the incomplete combustion of fuel take place, then carbon monoxide gas is released, and carbon monoxide very harmful for us because it combine with hemoglobin and form carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin prevent the transportation of oxygen inside our body, and it may cause fatal or death of a person. Third point is nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide. The formula of nitrogen dioxide is NO2. It is the basically discharge from the industrial waste or even from the exhaust of automobiles. It just like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide combined with oxygen and form nitrogen trioxide, which then combine with water and then form nitric acid, and which may cause acidic rain. Next is lead. Lead, it is a major component of petrol, diesel, paints and even the dye products. Lead is emitted from automobile exhaust and can damage even our nervous system, and in some cases may cause cancer. Air pollution can be prevented by doing the following. Number 1, getting vehicles checked by pollution. Getting vehicles checked for pollution regularly. Second, planting more trees. Third, using alternative sources of energy such as solar energy. Fourth, using fuels such as LPG, CNG, full form of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and full form of CNG, compressed natural gas. Next is the constructing factories away from the residential areas. Next point, using unleaded petrol for vehicles. Next, using carpool for going to office or school or somewhere, and creating awareness among people about the effect of air pollution. Thank you.